One country I would love to visit is Brazil. It's on the bucket list, and until I can get there, I'm just gonna have to eat lots of Brazilian food here and their popular drinks, just like this Brazilian Limeade. It's refreshing. It's the perfect drink to have in summer. Now, you can keep it non-alcoholic, or you could add a little bit of white rum, which is what I'm going to be doing. We start with 2 whole limes, and I'm gonna cut them into smaller chunks. Now, we're going to blend the whole limes, and it seems quite strange to do that because you think the pith might be too bitter, but in fact by adding the whole limes we're going to get a more aromatic flavour from them, a more intense lime flavour. And I'm just cutting them up just to help that blender out so it finally chops everything. It smells fantastic. In it goes. And to this 1 cup of iced water. You just want enough to almost cover all of the limes. Lid goes on and watch this colour transform. It's going to go a bright white colour. So blend this until everything's finely chopped up. Look at that. See how that's transformed? It's white, almost pastel green. And it smells fantastic. Now we need to strain this into a jug. And I strain it before adding the rest of the ingredients because it might be a bit too bitter. We'll get rid of all this pith and then continue the process until it's completely strained. All right, we have our pure lime essence. We're going to place that back into our blender. I've just given the blender a quick rinse because we don't want any pith in this. And it needs to be sweetened, and traditionally they use some condensed milk. So in with the condensed milk. That condensed milk is not only going to sweeten it, but also give it a really nice gloss. Okay, a splash of white rum, totally optional. Ice also goes in to keep it extra chilled. 3 of these. These other 2 can go into our glass. Lid goes on and I'll give it another blitz. All right, this is done. Now I'm gonna give it a slight twist, a little Justine twist by adding some coconut sorbet. I've made my own. This is totally optional and you can use all different types of ice cream, even just vanilla bean ice cream is nice. So we'll just grab an ice cream scoop. Oh, look at this. I just love this tropical feel to it. Lime, coconut, it just works so well together. It's gonna be extra chilled. And then we pour our Brazilian Limeade straight over the top of it. Oh, look at that. See how velvety it is? Fill the second one up. I have some mint and extra lime. If you want to give it an extra dimension of flavour, you could absolutely blend this mint throughout the Limeade. I'm just going to garnish with it over the top, lots of it. And just to really emphasise that this is a lime drink, thin slices of lime. I'll just cut a little nick in that so it can fit on the side. And that is a gorgeous drink from Brazil. Better have a taste. That is so refreshing. It's like a cross between an amazing cocktail and a dessert with that sorbet in it. Fantastic. Summer, this is your go-to drink.